And this is how you do it. So you do it this way, and you don't have to worry about using shaving cream, especially if you don't have shaving cream at the moment. So when you go into that, then you'll see that this works much better than... Hello folks, yes, I'm going to show you how to shave without shaving cream. First of all, you need a shaver. I use the Schick shaver. Can't even get it in focus, but there we go. And it has 5 blades on it there. You can barely see them, too close to the camera. And it has a blade on the back too, for the parts that you miss, like right around your ears, or say you can't get up in your nose. Let's see my nose? No. Those are ways to actually shave and get a closer shave. So what you're doing is you're not putting on shaving cream, because shaving cream just gets all in the way and you have to get your blade wet. And why do you need that? You don't need a wet You don't need a wet blade, especially if you don't have time to go and stand over the sink. You just do it this way. You just go right into it. And this is how you do it without any shaving cream. You don't end up cutting yourself. Sorry, I'm not talking while I'm doing this, but when you're in a hurry, like I said, you just get it all in the places you can get it in. I have a sagging neck, so I have to pull down and just shave. Now you take this and you go like this. Remember, I said there was a shaver on this end. Go all the way around. And give yourself a smile. Be happy that you're shaving yourself. Without cutting yourself. And there you go. You have a shave. Very well done. And what did that take me? A whole 3 minutes to do that. The quickest way to shave is with a dry shaver. Yes, you may feel a little bit of pain, and that will be taken care of when you go ahead and you put your cologne on. Now let's see, this is the cologne I use. I like the Gillette. And it is aftershave gel. Don't need a lot. Open it up. Squeeze out some. You can see that on my hand there. Oh, I need that little bit there, and just rub it in. Ah, refreshing. Very refreshing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to go ahead and subscribe right down there, wherever it is, down there on my subscribe channel button, and I will see you next time. Magic Mitch Hearts.